Hello and greetings on behalf of the CTE Technical Assistance Center of New York. My name is Mike Woods. I'm the director for the center, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to DreamSeeDo, our asynchronous learning platform. So the easiest way to get to DreamSeeDo is to visit our website, nyctecenter.org. Also, just a little quick note, when you get to our homepage, if you're not currently subscribed to our newsletter system, I do encourage you to do so. That's how you keep up to date with all the free and wonderful offerings that we have. But now back to DreamSeeDo. To navigate to DreamSeeDo, you'll want to scroll over to Professional Resources, and you will click on Asynchronous Learning DreamSeeDo. This will bring you to our landing page, and there's a bunch of really useful tips here for you. I'm going to demonstrate today with the Teachers and Work-Based Learning Coordinators cohort. As I click that, it's going to bring you to the DreamSeeDo landing page, which will show you the number of courses that are available to you. However, if you have not yet signed up, you do need to make sure that in the top right-hand corner, you click Sign Up. Please put your first name, your last name, your school email address. That's very important. That is your school email address, and then a password of your choosing. And you can go ahead and sign up. Then our administrators will be sent a note saying that you are requesting permission to join that course. And upon approval, you'll be able to access all the wonderful learning that is inside of it. If you have already created an account, you want to click Login. I'm going to demonstrate in my account and take us into it. I'm going to click that I want it to remember me, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. And when I get in here, this is my landing page, and this is what it should look like for you as well. So I'm going to demonstrate the new teacher cohort for new CTE teachers, which is a hybrid course. So on the left-hand side, you'll notice if you scroll over, it extends itself. I'm going to click on Courses, and I'm going to scroll down to the floating through your first years in CTE. I'm going to click on that, and I see the welcome and introduction. My navigation panel is going to be on the left-hand side. So I can see the course schedule by clicking this. We already had our first session on September 22nd. The next one is going to be on October 20th. Know that DreamSeeDo is your one-stop shopping for our various sessions. So for instance, the first meeting that we had is already archived. You can go back and you can watch that recording should you want, and then you can do the follow-up materials after that. As you go through the various portions, you'll be able to check it that you've completed it, and that will allow you to move on to the next portion of it. As I mentioned, our next session is going to be on October 20th. So once I would complete all of these activities right here, I would be able to move into module number 2, which is going to be everything related to October 20th. If at any point in time you have any struggles or difficulties navigating the system, please do reach out to us. Our email is ctetac@spnet.us, and we're here and we're always happy to help you. We hope you enjoy this experience and this free offering from the CTE Technical Assistance Center, and we look forward to engaging with you soon.